So in epithelial tissues, we are understanding that squamous epithelial tissues. Squamous matlab squeezed. They are flat. They are upper epidermis of the layer. They are the outermost layer. They are called as a squamous epithelial tissues. They are protecting our body from the injuries, from the and they are giving mechanical support to the body. So they are helping to protect the tissues also. This is called as a squamous or squeezed chapta wala epithelial tissue. Stratified squamous epithelial tissue, it is present below the skin. It is also giving the protection. If this one is got damaged, if the squamous is damaged, then stratified is supporting to the organs for from the external injuries, whatever the things are damages happen to that. So that is a stratified squamous epithelial tissue. Next we have cuboidal epithelial tissue. The cuboidal epithelial tissues are the cells which are having cube-like cells we have here. These cube-like cells are present in the kidney, inner lining of the kidney. Their function is absorption. What is mean by absorption? So they are in the PCT and DCT, they are not allowing to form the plaques. If the plaques are forming means they will lead to the renal calculis, kidney stones in future. The cuboidal epithelial tissues function is absorption. Absorption function main. Next we have columnar epithelial tissues. These are the column-like. Column means pillar-like structure. These column-like structures present in the inside of the alimentary canal, wherever the smooth muscles are there. There the columnar epithelial tissues are present. Their function is absorption. They absorb the important materials. They absorb the water. They absorb the nutrients. They absorb the minerals from there. This is called as columnar epithelial tissue. Another one is there which is called as ciliated columnar, means here the cilia are there, the hair like projections are there, called as cilia. It is present in the inner lining of the trachea. So as inner lining of the trachea, from the both sides the cilia are there. Whenever while inhaling the dust particles we inhaled inside, these cilia always moves upward. They are moving unidirectional, one way direction they are moving. So the dust particles are going outside through the nose by the process called as sneezing. This is the function of the ciliated columnar epithelial tissue. Last one we have glandular epithelial tissue. This is the special type of tissue present in the glands like lacrimal glands and salivary glands. Function the secretion, again secretion of saliva in the salivary gland, salivary amylase, and the tears. The tears, when we are crying, that time the glandular epithelial tissue producing saliva and tears. So these are the epithelial tissues what we are understanding. Next we will understand the muscular tissues. There are three types of muscular tissues are there in the body. So three muscular tissues may, number one we have stratified muscles. Stratified muscles are those kinds of muscles, they are present throughout the body. They are connected to muscles. So directly the muscles which are connected to the bones on the body, throughout the body, wherever the bones are there, their muscles are there. That is called as the stratified muscles. Their main function is giving shape to the body, movement of the body, whatever the contraction and relaxations are happening in the actin and myosins, while the shape of the muscles are changing, that is done by the stratified muscles. If I am writing something, if I am walking, dancing or doing any activity, that time the stratified muscles are directly involving and helping our body to do the movements. Next we have the smooth muscles. Smooth muscles are present in the alimentary canal again. Their function is absorption, like in small intestine, large intestine, esophagus, everywhere this is present, smooth muscles. Next we have last one, cardiac muscles. Cardiac means they are present in the inner wall of the heart. So the wall of the heart is made by cardiac muscles. Their function is rhythmic contraction and relaxation. Suppose this is the heart. So 4 chambers are there. These outer walls are made by cardiac muscles. They are doing the contraction and relaxation continuously. If it is not contracting and relaxing, you will relax for forever. So that's why the relaxation and contraction is important. This is produced by the SIN node, sinoatrial here, bundle of Purkinje fibers are there. So impulse are generated and the rhythm is maintained there in the heart. So these are the muscles. Last one we have the nervous tissue. So this is a neuron. Okay, this is a nervous tissue. Whenever we are talking about the nervous tissue, this is having a nucleus. This cytoplasm is also present. This is a nucleus. These are called as a dendrites. This is a cell body. This is called as axon. This is called as myelin sheath. This is a nerve ending. Okay, so as I am talking about the dendrites here, so here a very big cell of the body is called as a nervous cell or nerve tissue. So here the neurons are connected throughout the body. So this is already long, but besides that another neuron is there like this. I will draw a rough diagram. So here another neuron is there. Here another neuron is there like this, like this. So many neurons are there. So from one neuron to another neuron, there is a gap. So gap is there means why we are talking about the gap? Why? Because neurons are transmitting the signals in the form of electrical signals. If electrical signal must be passed to the next neuron, so here there no must be the gap. Gap must be not there. If gap is there means how the electricity will pass. So that's why whenever the electrical signals are coming here at the nerve ending, they are converting into chemical signals and going to the next neurons. Dendrites are receiving the chemical signal from here electrical here to chemical. So the exchange of the things happening at the synapse. So this gap is called as synapse. So gap between the two neuron is called as synapse. So this is the one thing. Second thing, the myelinated sheaths are acting like insulators. They are not allowing the electricity to come outside to the neuron. नहीं तो short circuit हो सकता है. So that's why the electricity is protected in the axon throughout the neuron. That's why the myelinated sheath is protecting it and acting like an insulator. This is a cell body. As a chemical signal is entered into the dendrites, here it will take it in the cell and again it will convert into electrical. Again electrical signal is passing through the axon. So like this nervous tissues are working in the body. So these are the important things what we are understanding about the nervous tissue. They may ask for 2 marks or 3 marks. You have to remember for the examination. Thank you.